To today's YouTube video. So now what we're gonna do here is we beat Corrupted Valkyrie yesterday. Someone just commented right now before I started this, beat Little Cat Awakens. There's one problem, it's not on right now. I guess we can try to get this guy though. Special and rare. Let's go build a thing for that because I could special and rare only. All right. So Ninja's pretty spammable, and I think Heavy Assault Cat would help out a lot. Dark Leisure for sure. Should we use Bondage? Yeah, let's use Bondage. No, not Mother Cat. Hi, what about Hyper Mister? Lollycat. Loincloth. Valkyrie and Bahamut. Well, what we're gonna do here? Oh wait, we got cat combos. We forgot about that. Okay, Bento special. Long necks. The heck, I thought I already had this one. I'm pretty sure there's no more. There is. Gross. Oh. And for rare, oh never mind. We should use Cyborg instead of Bondage. And we're gonna put in Courier. These guys are way too expensive. Alright, now let's see if this will work. So now, I'm gonna go ahead. Oh gosh, why is it so close? No, this is way too close. Hey, get away from him. Get away from him. Oh god, oh my gosh. Extra buffed squirrels be like. Oh, and they do a lot of damage. That's fun, isn't it? Oh my gosh. No, we need a cyborg out here, not Mister though. And then another one. Cyborg's gonna die. Please put out one more. Please, 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 please. I don't want to have to deal with them. Yeah, no. Yes. What the heck? That one was weak. Ugh. Man, already? Come on, get out there, Dark Laser. Along with, alright. Come on, man. So, now what we're going to do here is, we're just going to try to beat this guy, but he's incredibly strong along with those squirrels. I think Courier might actually be able to help in here. We're going to try to beat, what are you, Lil Tank again? I forgot. Hey, they're not so little anymore once they get to their true form. They're just a little bit bigger. So, oh my gosh, okay, we lost already. We lost already this one. There's no way we're going to be able to beat this. It's too hard. I'm going to start from the beginning. And there's all bros. Can't even use Kai here. What's the point? Or Saber. One more hit, then we're dead. Yep, I was right. And there's no continues on this, by the way. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there isn't. Yep. 98. See, we didn't do nothing to him. Alright, now let's go put my actual loadout. I actually want to rename that to. It's not name. We can only prepare it play. Oh gosh, we just need one. Wait a minute. Oh my gosh. Parrot Army, there we go. Parrot Army. We found a solution. Let's go play. Bottom of the swamp is on. Since it's a merciless stage. But this is how you get Teacher Bear Cat. I'm gonna try it. I want my Teacher Bear Cat. I'm gonna try it. Does Cappy Jr. come out? Oh, there's scissors in here. Yeah, I forgot about that. Cappy Jr. come out when you hit the base, or does he take some time? Or like, does he come out immediately? How are we supposed to get rid of this? No, no, wait, no, 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 no. Oh, what are these? 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 What are you guys? What are you guys? What are you guys? Calimari stage, yeah, but what are those? I gotta go check now. Let's see, where are they? We hit the zombies? No, then we passed the Start Aliens. Now with Red Bull. Oh, there they are. The Thrillers zombie. These guys never alone. These guys are never alone in life or death. Luckily, there was a shuttle bus service from the cemetery to the battlefield. Yeah, but this one's hard. But those are hard to kill. I do know Cappy Jr.'s boss. Now at least we know what's in here. Those guys, Scissoroo, Thrillers, the Thrillers, and Cappy Jr. Cappy Jr. has Surge. I don't have no one with Surge immunity.
It's always demoralizing for people to have a bumper move and just make a comeback right away, especially if you're going through some excruciating pain. I'm a numb rover. I'm always numb. As long as it's safe, no matter what. You know,
I want them to stay away from me. I want them to stay away from me. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Cyborg. Oh gosh, this stage is gonna be hard. I'm not ready for this, but I'm trying it anyways. Just refuse. Oh, of course, here comes the Thrillers. Yeah, they definitely throw me. These guys are hard to kill. Oh, and they're strong too? Not really. Get back, you creature. Well, now they're gonna come back up soon. I thought zombies were only allowed to tunnel once. Well, now they're dead. And then here comes more of them.
Is this the whole milk? Grandma, is this the whole milk? It tastes better.
Oh, you like it? That's like milk for
Alright.
Keep going.
Yeah, of course. Alright, since you can't beat Cappy Jr., well, we can't even get past the Scissoroo. That's an enemy I fought for a long time in Chapter 2. I'll get the treasures. I have 15, but I want to try some levels in here because I have not done that yet. And if you beat this, you get Waken Bahamut. Alright. Japan, one courier should just be able to do it.
when they tried to really aspirate this. So I have to be extra careful and really make sure she feels like she's that was pierced before. I'm gonna just
There's just 3 balance.
Caroline.
See, there we go, perfect. Got the cat food and normal home electronics C. Alright. We'll use the leadership after. That just reminds me. There's a Lenore on, I think, Philippines. There's a Lenore, which are the black ones, of the elephants. We'll check out a Cyberpunk, why not? Should we do My the Aegis Garu just to flex on them? Yeah, sure, why not? Yeah, see, I got the... Alright. China! Oh, and on Dubai, I'm pretty sure there's a camel. Here's a. Here come BB bunnies. I'm pretty sure there is an Elizabeth on Thailand. There you go, Saber did it. Perfect. Alright. Inferior panda club. So we are getting treasures. Except they're the low ones, they're not superior, but that's what we need though. We need superior. Alright, and tomorrow I'm gonna be at Disneyland, so there will be a Disneyland vlog tomorrow.
You said that you were gonna make something.
Saber.
Man, that thing they put me
Run.
to sleep.
Go. Oh gosh, more balance. Oh my gosh, now they're just spamming Shabalance. Whoa. What just happened? But yes, they spam Shabalance, guys. I meant to click the back to the map button. Remember yesterday, Ursa Major killed me right when I got rid of Valkyrie. After I killed Valkyrie, they just threw out Ursa Major with a Predator Seal and Lemur. And that killed me. Alright. Got rid of that seal though. Mighty Aegis Garu. Saber. More curry. Oh man, could put a Bahamut. Oh wait, perfect. We can't put a Bahamut. Saber's my fastest Uber in my loadout.
I fell asleep. I took a muscle relaxer.
Alright. Normal. When I was younger, when I was in like first grade or something, I thought Awakened Bahamut was like another version of Bahamut Cat because of how different he looked. I thought he was from the, what is that called? The King Emperors, the one where you can get Sodom, like the Dragon Emperors. That's what I thought. That's where I thought he was from. But no. You have to beat this entire chapter. Why did I put out an eraser? Alright. Got rid of him. Oh, look it. It's our favorite nice friendly friend. And there's two of them. Yeah, guys. These guys are so friendly. If you guys see them, you guys definitely shouldn't run. I mean, it's not like they can kill you with their tentacles. We're going to need a bit of reinforcements for this level. I'm not even lying. Oh my gosh, Saber's dead. Saber's done. Saber's done. Saber's done.
I'll park it. If you jump out, I'll park it. Edward, can I please win yours? I'm actually gonna get stuck. Edward, stop. You're making it worse by crashing.
Alright.
Here we go.
This is the part where we're actually going to need to start trying.
You're telling me to go vegan?
Alright. Cat. Ooh, we got a cat ticket.
I'm chill now.
Alright, let's see what we can get from there.
I don't know.
83 cat food. Try to build that up for when we come across Awakened Bahamut. Wallet.
Oh, what the heck?
Alright.
Oh, God.
We got a wallet from that, but that's okay.
Hop in.
Anything helps, guys.
Dad. Oh, God.
Anything helps, guys. Donations.
That was just a test. Alright, hold on.
It's from the UK again. I actually forgot.
You're flying.
Ah! Imperator.
So literally, you're like
Imperator seal.
and then you
So that's just fun. And Dark Joji's the heck? Oh my gosh.
get over here. Oh, God, I'm in first person and it looks so weird. person and it looks so weird. Okay? Let's go.
Alright, there we go. Still, this is the part where you need to start trying. And Courier Cat throws black cats at random things. Saber, altar.
Edward, stop. Wait. No. Now go this
Bahamut,
way.
Bahamut, Bahamut. Oh, we don't even need him. I'm getting 10 cat food per level. Wait a minute.
What? Oh, I should have. I'm coming for you, Edward.
8,000? Oh, almost 8,000.
I am.
8,000 here.
Wait for me.
You get it. I'll at least make it to Dubai. Alright, we're at Denmark with, I don't know. What are we fighting here? Okay, BB Bunny. Exactly why should I always have my laptop on me, but I really don't.
Do you see how perfect I'm driving?
Courier Cat likes to carry some curry.
I'm staying in the yellow line. Oh, I'm going to the orange line now. I'm sorry.
Oh my god, yo, wow. Oh, there was ginger snatches mixed in there.
I'm in the orange and yellow. Now I'm only in the
Alright.
orange. Uh-huh.
My TikTok uploaded a couple more memes because I got bored. Are we at 100 cat food? We are. Germany.
Edward, stop.
Monaco. Never mind. I forgot about Monaco. There's a calamari. But it's okay. We got Saber. And Saber helps out with anything that's floating. And calamari is for sure floating enemy. Where's Saber at?
I don't care after this one. I'm jumping out.
Where's Saber? Where's Saber? There's Croxos.
I'm gonna shoot you with my gun. It goes
Oh gosh, there's more? I don't care about the Croxos. They're not really a big deal. It's just that.
you off.
Those moots. Saber's not even hit. Oh, there we go.
What?
Bahamut. Here, okay, let's start spamming now. Oh, there's moots. Okay, yeah, never mind. We need meat shields now because they're gonna end up freezing Saber. See?
What age is your cousin? Edward, did you actually? No, don't leave.
All right, he froze Garu.
Then I'm playing my own game.
How many levels are we away from Monaco?
What are we gonna play?
I'm not sure. There we go. I don't think we got the cat food. Yeah, we didn't.
I'm gonna play.
I think we got the. Okay, I think Monaco's after this.
I wanna play my own game.
And that's in the video. This video should be titled Playing Into the Future Chapter 3 because I got bored.
No, I'm going here first. This is it. Yes!
I
Oof. Oof, Edward. Oof.
get him. Oh man, Killaboodles already?
Edward, come here. Oh! Where?
Oh man, they're being bad.
Well, your mom was took a break and telling me to go vegan.
Oh my gosh.
Ugly, stupid.
Oh my gosh.
I bet. I'm gonna bet. Alright, do I join back in now?
There we go. I need that cost reduction on this. Oh, they're spamming on Mr. Skeleboodles.
I call this one.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, sniper. I think it's Monaco's after Italy. This is Spain. Kangaroo.
Edward, I already have
Saber, alter. Oh, scissors.
I didn't even let me rebirth. I'm gonna pay 100 Robux to skip a floor. I think somebody wants to kill us.
Gosh. Oh no. Oh no. Alright. So this level is not too hard,
What do you want?
but there are a couple scissoros. I'm not saying they're not helping. That's all I know.
What?
And they do like a ha 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 after they're done scissoring. They don't even use the scissors. They just shoot like lasers through their claws. And now they're just spamming them and Al Muhammad's dead.
I have them all around. Mine's are better. Yeah. I'm literally about to buy the laser.
One more attack from Gabru and they're dead. Yeah, one more attack from Gabru.
For some reason, I called this a road.
There you go. See, now he's dead.
I'm literally gonna go steal your money.
All right.
Thanks. No, I already collected my money. Took it. Yeah? Alright, took it again.
There we go.
Again. Ha 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 ha.
Yeah, we're getting XP too.
This dude is trying to buy stuff from me.
We're gonna use the sniper
He has 600
and the speed up here.
He has $651.8
Let's go.
million. He's hacking. He's a hackster.
Shoot him! What are you doing, bro?
Yeah.
Cyborg.
His username is JFJDKSK8.
Oh my gosh.
Nice.
Oh no 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 wait no 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 no! I did not want that to happen.
He did?
Especially not right now.
I got the laser door. Edward, by the laser door, flip.
We need a Saber. We need Saber out now. Go. I don't care. Just run. Man, there's helmet crabbies too? That's not helping.
But nobody can get into my side because I left the laser wall too.
This is Calamaria.
Can't be unless he dies.
I'm pretty sure that's her name. Or calamari. I think it's calamari. I think Calamaria is the angel one. And those things are worse than this.
Wait, did you die?
Oh my gosh. Garu just needs to get strength. Yeah, she's dead. If I'm being honest, that was not too hard, guys. I don't know how my brother is able to beat this. Hey, we tried. That's all I want to do for today. So tomorrow we're going to try to beat the Great Abyss, which I think is a... Let's see here. I think it's a couple more levels away. I think it's about... Let's go check. From Italy, we can go to chapter 2. Italy. Dubai's only 3 levels away. Okay, we're 9 or 10 levels away. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I shall see you guys next time, and bye.